On this episode of DPV, we're putting mud flaps on a Yukon. Welcome to DPV, I'm Josh, and today we're working on my wife's Yukon. So we moved out to the new property last July, and we're out on a dirt road. And I noticed the other day that my truck doesn't get nearly as dirty as my wife's rig, and my truck's got mud flaps front and rear. So we're gonna give it a shot. Got these, they're Husky brand mud flaps, Husky Liners. So made in the USA, check that out. So anyway, should be a pretty simple install. Looks like these are the fronts and these are the rears. So we're gonna go ahead and hook these up real quick. It should go pretty easy. Got instruct somewhere. Let me read them real quick. Okay, so you want to remove your tire so you can get in here. But basically, it's gonna utilize this, and this. And it came with screws and clips for here because you can see that these are just those little plastic retainers. But you can use the factory screws there where this inner fender is hooked on. So there's also a protective film strip that you're supposed to put on here. I'm not going to worry about that right now because I just don't think I'm going to have great success with it being so cold and wet and everything. So I'm going to wait till this summer to put those on, if I remember. But yeah, you're supposed to clean this real good and then put this film on there, but it's still pretty cold. So I'm just gonna put them on without it for now. But just gotta pull these two plastic clips and then these two screws here. All right, so in behind this inner fender, you'll want to put metal clip right there, right in there. I'll put them in there so you can see where they're at. Just like that. All right, just like that, pretty easy. You look pretty good. So I'll get that tire on, move on to the back. Okay, so the back is a little bit different. You're going to use the top screw that's factory, pull that clip out, and then you got to put one of these guys in there. Okay, then I put this on. All lined up good. Come on, you. And using an 1/8 inch drill bit, you can use the mud flap as a template. drill through. I'm probably gonna have to lay on my back for this part. Put this clip in behind the inner fender. I'm just screwing it in until I can feel the tip of the screw. And I put that little clip over the end of the screw and then just drive it home. Nice, that doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna bust out the other side and then we'll wrap this thing up. All right, all finished up. I think they look pretty good. I mean, yeah, it doesn't make it look a little more soccer mom, maybe. But is it gonna help save some money at the old Brown Bear car wash? I hope so. Anyway, you can pick these things up on Amazon. I will put a link down in the description below. They are made in the USA, Husky brand, and I think they fit pretty good. Make sure that you remember to retorque your wheels. If you don't have a torque wrench, just go down to your local tire shop. They can probably do that for you for free. Just when you take the wheels off, make sure you retorque them because that could be bad news. But yeah, I'd say they look pretty good. I'll do a follow-up video this summer when I go to put that 3M paint protection strip down and let you know how they did through the spring, through all the wet months, and see if we think they made any difference on how dirty the car gets. So anyway, that's it for this episode. If you want to support the channel, we got merch on Teespring, a link in the description below. You can shop on Amazon via any of the links in the description. You can become a Patreon. It's like a per month support system. And then last but not least, just like, share, and subscribe. All right, thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.